Hi guys, today we're going to do lesson 4.3. It's multiplying decimals by whole numbers. It's really not any different than you're used to when multiplying, two whole numbers. You're going to still line them up right to left, and then you're not going to worry about the decimal until we get to the very end, and then we'll put them into the product. So let's look at page 247, and we're going to start with number 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 6 is 18. So now we have to deal with the decimal, and what you do is you count how many decimal places we have. We have 2, so we're gonna move in right to left 2 places and insert our decimal. So our answer is 18 96/100. Not too bad, right? Number 5. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 4 is 32. Plus 4 is 36. Now I count my decimal places. I have 1. I move 1 place in. So your answer is 36. Is it wrong if you put 36.0? Absolutely not. But it's just not really necessary. Number 6, 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 0 is 0, plus 3 is 3. 5 times 4 is 20. We count our decimal places. This time we only have 1, so I move in 1 place. So our answer is 203 5/10. So not too bad, right? Now I do want to go over a couple of the problems for 10 through 17. It says copy and solve, find the product. So that means it's asking me to rewrite the problem vertically, because these are written horizontally, and find the answer. So I'm going to do them over here. So for number 10, I have to write out my problem because I have to solve it vertically. I like to put the number with the most digits at the top. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 7 is 56. Plus 1 is 57. So now I count my decimal places. I have 1. I move it over 1 in my product. So my answer for number 10 is 57 6/10. And you could write that right in here on your workbook, but don't forget, I still want to see the work. And we're going to box that one in. And number 11, I have 1 45/100 times 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 1 is 4. I have 2 decimal places, so I'm going to move 2 times and insert my decimal here. So my answer is 4 35/100. Again, you could write that in your workbooks. So not too bad today. If you need any additional help, you know how to reach out to us. Don't forget we have that study hall time from 2 to 2:45. So for homework today, you're looking at page 249. My red group, or I guess it's not necessarily my red group, everyone but the blue group is doing 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 through 10, 15 and 16. My blue group are only doing 2, 4, 6, 8, and 16. See you tomorrow.